kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas. At this point of time, we would like to request our senior officer and Sir Marcelino Torres, sir, for a briefing and at the same time instruction for our participants and at the same time a message. Sir, maupay na ito.
Good morning, everybody. Ako nga pala si Forester Marcialito Torres, yung CNR officer ng Catbalogan City. So, sa ngayon, nandito tayo sa Barangay San Vicente, nagkakaroon tayo ng mass tree planting. Actually, yung mass tree planting na sa kasalukuyan ginagawa natin, ito ay initiated by KBP in support sa DNR. Kaya, nung time na mag-coordinate yung KBP sa atin, at we are happy enough na meron pala tayong other agencies. It's either private, din yung mga religious group na nandito ngayon, yung academe na nag-respond sa tree planting natin, including the city government nandito ngayon, nag-participate sa mass tree planting. Kanina tinitingnan ko yung attendance kasi may attendance tayo, yung purpose natin, makita natin kung ilan talaga yung nag-participate. Meron doon by agency, pero hindi pa natin masyadong makikita kung anong agency ang lahat na nag-participate, although yung number of personnel na nandito ay halos umaabot na ng 2,000. Excuse me. So, in behalf ng DNR, nagpapasalamat kami na talagang ang daming tumulong sa tree planting natin. Siguro, isa lang ang makikita natin na lahat pala aware na tayo ngayon, lalo na sa climate change na tinatawag natin. Kasi makikita natin ngayon, abnormal na kasi yung klima natin. Supposed to be raininess na ngayon, pero makikita natin minsan-minsan mainit pa rin. Kaya maraming salamat doon sa different sector of government, including national government agencies na nandito ngayon, yung academic na nandito ngayon, yung religious group na nandito na nakipag-isa sa atin, yung mga NGOs, yung people's organization na nandito. So maraming salamat at sana sa susunod natin mas marami pa dito. Ipakita natin na we are willing to make the province of Samar from green into greener. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Sir Torres, for that very wonderful message. Okay, at this point of time, proceed na kita matanan ngadto itong designated area. Upon receiving your siblings, may ada na instruction na yung igahatag kunain kamudapit. And good luck and congratulations to all of us. In behalf of itong kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ang Pilipinas.
Tigri-tigri nila ini ha, para pag tumig-a na, what silopin, hinay-hinay sa loho. Okay? I-press na ala ito, parang, ha? I-press ala ha?
I-press pa rin iba.
Yan, i-press, hinay-hinay lang. Pagkatapos, what silopin, ha? May attendance na ka mo rito. No attendance, no grade. Sige, laraga ka mo rito, hinay-hinay. Hello. Oy, say hi to your mama.
Babae lang. Ayaw nyo samok-samok.
Oy, documentation. What is the use of
Sino mamayabas kita? Kailang.
Pag-remake lang mo.
Hindi maginay, balinda. Tatanong na ako para makahuli.
Ang taga-1 ka mo. Susuloy ko sa loob.
Alit-lit liman sa Canada.
Ano gusto ka niyo? Tumapanla. Sabi ko kami, bakit sila lang? Alin ka ba? Sige, atakan mo pa.
Ha?
Yan, hira ko wala yan. Barbie.
Ano na ba, iba lang ibang matrasagkat. Di na demonyo. Ano ka pala nga eh.
Patay tayo ngayon. Reservist. Karabaw. Bigyan na kita sa sila.
Adra kita din mo.
Smile.
Kaya ganun ito magiging mga tago.
Maluya, pagsagda. Ay, sus, kaya doon na ngayon, dahil mo na nagbubuho dito.
Kaya si Prince doon.
Done. Video. Nakaubos na Hello!
Okay, maray na sound. Extended lunch by the city government of Catbalogan, the Samar State University, maupay nga gayo nga tanan, the Samar Island Press Club, the Samar Police Provincial Office, the PNP Catbalogan, DILG Samar, the 8th Infantry Division of the Philippine Army, Civic Brotherhood Organization, Alert Philippines, Access 5, Kabalikat Civicom, the Philippine Information Agency, our friends from the UNTV Samar, New Life Christian Church, the Western Samar Evangelical Ministers Association, or WESEMA, the Chinese Park Volunteer Brigade, Boy Scout of the Philippines, PFS Clan, the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. Damang salamat. Of course, from our friends, Aqua Puro Mineral Water, led by Mr. Baugbo. At this point of time, we would like to give the floor to the station manager of Action Radio DYMS for an opening message in behalf of the kapisanan ng mga broadcaster sa Pilipinas, Mr. Johnny Villamor.
Okay, good morning to all stakeholders who are present today. It is an indication that you support our call for KBP Oplan Broadcasting 2012. I firmly believe that we shall be responsible for the environment. And in our own little way, we offer this Oplan Broadcasting 2012 to plant trees so that these trees may even replenish what has been prematurely or illegally cut. Perhaps you have never imagined how broadcasters can help with the environment. We can do so only if we help and support one another. And this will be a lot more easier and more fun. Yet more responsibility for the children of our children's children. And thank you very much again for being with us here today and for believing that what we sow today, what we plant today, will be for the benefit of the next generation. Thank you very much. Nasingit ko nun. Maulo yun.
Iba natin pag-inuha ako naman gani yan naman. Sinikuha ko. May na ko muna ng panlalabayin.
Uy, karami yung karama tagar ka lugar. Ano, igad? Lalo, nangyari ko na sa patos.
Ali under the stewardship of Major General Bernardo the Civic Brotherhood Organization, the Allied Philippines, Access 5, the Catholic Civicom, the Philippine Information Agency under the stewardship of Madam Ying Catarante, the UNTV Samar Team, the New Life Christian Church, the Western Samar Evangelical Ministers Association, WSEMA, the Chinese Star Volunteer Brigade, the Boy Scout of the Philippines under Mr. Montano Asis, the BJMP, Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. Of course, our friends from Sendro and Sendro. And we cannot have the contribution and support extended to the 2012